Why Samsung lied about Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra was launched on 9th of Feb, and right after we started getting some review stuff going on, and then later, after testing for a while, we see some lies that Samsung puts while promoting its Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. But why would Samsung need to do this with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? If you don't have it, then don't claim it. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra supports 45 watt of fast charging as claimed by Samsung. And this time there is no 45 watt of fast charging in the box, so you need to buy it externally for about $50. But the interesting part, after running the test on 3 different adapters for both S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra, gives a shocking result that guy did not even expect from Samsung. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below after this lie, would you still pick the 45 watt of fast charger for $50? The test ran on 3 chargers: 25 watt of fast charger from Samsung, 45 watt of fast charger from Samsung, and 65 watt of fast charger from third party. After charging the S22 Ultra for about 30 minutes from 0, with 25 watt of fast charger, S22 Ultra charged at 61%. With 45, it charged at 60%, which kinda shocking, and with 65, it charged at 65%. A little difference in the S22 Plus. But why we are getting these results? Well, Samsung put himself in the same position just like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus back in 2019, where they dropped the claim of the 45 watt of fast charging. We are okay with the 25 watt of fast charging, which only costs you $20, but why would Samsung claim 45 watt of fast charging and selling that adapter for about $50? Either Samsung does this intentionally to save the Galaxy S22 Ultra for much longer, or there is no 45 watt of fast charging support in the Galaxy S22 Ultra, although Samsung competitors are way ahead of their league, where they almost put 80 to 100 watt of fast charging in their phones, like Xiaomi, Oppo, and other Chinese companies. Another news that might hit you guys is Samsung claims S22 Ultra display can go from 1Hz to 120Hz depending on your usage, but it is also not true. After checking the Android API, Galaxy S22 Plus and the Galaxy S22 Ultra panels refresh rate at 7 rates: 10, 24, 30, 48, 60, 96, and 120 Hz. After running few tests, we never seen displays below 24 Hz, so they were locked at 24 Hz least. So there is no official 1 Hz game going on. The difference between the S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra displays are when we played HDR video, where S22 Plus locked at 120 Hz and S22 Ultra display was running at different Hz depends on the video. So Samsung should rebuild the spec sheet for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below after this slide, will you still pick 45 watt of fast charger for $50? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!